Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share only one tab in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. This is useful when you want someone to access a specific sheet without sharing your entire spreadsheet. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, open the Google Sheets spreadsheet that contains the tab you want to share. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, click the tab you want to share. Now, click the down arrow next to the tab name. From the menu, select Copy Link to this sheet. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Enter the email address of the person you want to share the spreadsheet with, or change the general access settings if needed. Click Send or Copy Link, depending on how you want to share it. Then, send the copied sheet link to the recipient. When they open the link, they'll be taken directly to the specific tab you shared. Keep in mind that this link opens the selected tab, but if the recipient has permission to the spreadsheet, they can still switch to other tabs. If you want to prevent access to other tabs, you'll need to place the sheet in a separate spreadsheet or use protected sheets and appropriate sharing permissions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share only one tab in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.